I just had to let you know you're.
Halo everyone, good morning. We are Group 1. Kali ini kita akan membahas tentang yang namanya request, permission, over, suggestion, and advice. Are you ready? Apa itu teman-teman? Yes, benar. Permintaan, izin, penawaran, saran, dan nasihat yang saling berkaitan dalam bahasa Inggris loh. Materi ini membahas ekspresi yang sering banget kita pakai dalam komunikasi sehari-hari teman-teman, maupun di kampus dan di bisnis, seperti request, permission, offer, suggestion, dan advice. Kalimat ekspresi ini penting banget karena bikin kita bisa ngobrol dengan lebih sopan, tepat, dan sesuai dengan situasi. Jadi apa teman-teman? Jadi saat kita belajar reading, kita gak cuma baca teks saja, tetapi juga belajar memahami fungsi bahasa yang ada di dalamnya loh. Yang pertama, kita akan bahas apa teman-teman? Yes, definition request. Dalam bahasa Indonesia, request adalah apa teman-teman? Yes, permintaan. A request is an expression used to ask someone to do something, give assistance, or provide information. Requests are usually made properly to show respect and consideration for others. Yang kedua, kita bahas apa teman-teman? Yes, definition dari permission. Dalam bahasa Indonesia, permission adalah apa teman-teman? Yes, izin. Permission is an expression used to ask for or get approval to do something. It allows people to agree to the rules or social expectation. Yang ketiga, kita bahas apa teman-teman? Yes, definition dari over. Dalam bahasa Indonesia, over adalah apa teman-teman? Yes, tawaran. Over is an expression used to provide help, service, or something to another person voluntarily. It shows willingness to assist or give something. Yang keempat, kita akan bahas apa ya teman-teman? Yes, definition dari suggestion. Dalam bahasa Indonesia, suggestion adalah apa ya teman-teman? Yes, saran. A suggestion is an expression used to propose an idea, plan, or action for someone to consider. Suggestion are not order, they simply provide option. Yang kelima, kita akan bahas apa nih teman-teman? Yes, definition dari advice. Dalam bahasa Indonesia, advice adalah apa ya teman-teman? Yes, nasihat. Advice is an expression used to recommend what someone should do in a particular situation. Advice is usually given to help someone solve a problem or make a better decision.
Karakteristik. Number 1, request. Used when asking someone to do something. Karakteristik. A. Polite asking. B. Usually used can, could, will, would. Example. Number 1. Could you help me with this assignment? Number 2. Would you open the window please? Number 2. Permission used to ask for or give approval to do something. Characteristic. A. Asking or granting permission. B. Usually use might, can, could. Example. Number 1. Might I leave the class early? Number 2. Yes, you might. C. Offer. Use when giving help, service, or something to someone. Characteristic. I. Voluntary action. B. Usually use so, can, would you like. Example. Number 1. So I carry your bag. Number 2. Would you like some coffee? Number 4. Suggestion. Used to propose an idea or plan. Characteristic. A. Giving possible solution or ideas. B. Usually use should, let's, why don't we. Example. Number 1. Let's study together. Number 2. Why don't we go by bus? 5. Advice. Used to recommend the best action for someone. Characteristic. Based on expression or opinion. Actually, you should ought to have better. Example. Number 1. You should get enough sleep. Number 2. You ought to save your money.
Halo everyone, ketemu lagi dengan aku. Sekarang kita akan membahas tentang real types. dari request, permission, offer, suggestion, and advice are relevant. Apa itu various types, teman-teman? Yes, various types adalah jenis-jenis atau berbagai jenis-jenis dari permintaan, izin, penawaran, dan nasihat yang saling berkaitan dengan bahasa Inggris loh. Various types dari request. Some forms of request include: Number 1, direct request adalah permintaan langsung. A request made directly, for example, open the door. Open the door. Number 2, polite request adalah permintaan sopan. A request made more politely using modal verbs. For example, Cloud, you open the door please. Cloud, you open the door please. Number 3, indirect request, menolak izin. A request made indirectly to show politeness or example, would you mean opening the door? Would you mean opening the door? Various types dari permission. Types of permission can be: Number 1, asking permission adalah meminta izin. Requesting permission to do something. Example, may you leave the class early. May you leave the class early. Number 2, giving permission, memberikan izin. Granting permission to someone. Example, yes, you may leave now. Yes, you may leave now. Number 3, refusing permission adalah menolak izin. Refusing a request for permission. Example, I'm sorry, you cannot leave the room yet. I'm sorry, you cannot leave the room yet. Various types. Over. Over usually take several forms such as: Number 1, offering help, menawarkan bantuan. Offering assistance. Example, so I help you carry the bag. So I help you carry the bag. Number 2, offering food or drink adalah menawarkan makanan atau minuman. Example, would you like some tea? Example, would you like some tea? Number 3, offering service or assistance adalah menawarkan layanan atau bantuan. Example, let me help you with this task. Example, let me help you with this task. Various types. Suggestion. Suggestion can be given in several forms such as: Number 1, using salt. Salt adalah seharusnya. Example, you should finish your assignment today. Number 2, using let's. Let's adalah mari. Example, let's discuss the problem together. Number 3, using why don't we, mengapa kita tidak. Example, we study in the library. Various types. Advice. Advice is usually used in sentence that provide recommendation or advice such as: Number 1, using salt. Example, you should exercise regularly. Number 2, using ought to. Example, you ought to apologize to your friend. Number 3, using had better. Example, you had better finish the report today.
Pertama tuh ada request, rumus, called you, and call you, can you, plus V1. Contohnya, called you, please pass the salt. Will you help me with this text? Can you close the door? Yang two, mention rumus, can I, call I plus V1. Contohnya yang may I draw you pen. Yang can I use your phone. Yang called I left early today. Yang three, the offers rumus what you like plus n to V1. Contohnya, will you like some cup? Will you like to join us? Yang salt I, and can I plus V1. Can I get you something? Yang 4, ada suggestion rumusnya let's plus V1. Why don't you add V plus V1? How about plus V ink? What about plus being? Contoh, why don't let's go to the library together? Why don't we study in a group? How about taking a break? What about trying a new method? Yang 5 ada if 5 rumusnya solve and solve plus B1. You had better plus B1. You out to plus B1. I where you I want plus B1. Contoh, you solve at L put you solve stay up too late. You had better see a doctor. You out to study at better. I hear you all apologies.
I just had to let you know you're